Just throw it into the floor entrances, and in a few seconds, it will happen. Get rid of all the cockroaches in your house once and for all. They chase away all the hidden cockroaches from your house. It destroys the nyens in a very easy, quick snap, and you have the ingredients at home. Let's learn, do you still spend money to buy these products on the market? These products are not only expensive. It doesn't kill cockroaches, don't spend more money on it, make your own cockroach poison in a container. Add 200 milliliters of water. Now we will need a spoon of baking soda. Cockroaches hate it. Now we will need alcohol and vinegar. Maybe it's just the spirit vinegar, add 3 spoons and watch the reaction it makes when it mixes. It is very strong against insects. Mix everything well. Now let's add some bleach here. I will use the sealing stud. The toilet water has a very strong smell, and it has strong substances for cockroaches. This will quickly eliminate cockroaches from your home. Mix well. Here, I'm going to use the sprayer, but you can use any. You don't have any at home, take a bottle and make a hole in its cap. Okay, let's put the whole mixture through the sprayer using a funnel. Be careful not to spill any on your clothes, okay? And I see that the product brings in a lot. Now come on, I'll teach you. How do I apply? Generally, cockroach nests are always found in damp places, like in the garden or porch. Here in this place, it gets wet a lot, which keeps some things leaning. So there are usually a lot of cockroaches around here, mainly at the entrances to the floor. Sprinkle in any place that has an entrance in the floors or walls, and leave for a few minutes. And look at this, guys. After a few minutes, see the cockroaches fleeing the nest. This is truly a very powerful medicine to endure. This ends up getting rid of all the cockroaches quickly. See the number of cockroaches that would enter your home after a few hours. Look at the number of dead cockroaches. This remedy eliminates cockroaches at the root. This poison is super effective without spending anything because we already have the items at home. Did you already know about this homemade poison? Do it at home. I hope you liked it. See you tomorrow.